We are back with It's About Time. Today we are going to be playing Tanky. So let's get started. Ooh, dang, look at my tank. Looking beautiful. Woo! How you shoot? Alright, I'll figure it out. Isn't it Z? Wait, hold on, what are the controls? Pause. What are the controls? How do you shoot? Fire, okay. Boop, 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 boop. They see me rolling. They hating. You hating? I know you hating. You hating. Yeah, that's why you don't be hating. They see me shooting. They hating. Oh, what the frick is that? It's a box that fell out of the air. Ooh. Sweat. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill all you. You're all gonna die. You are gonna die. Yeah. Whoa. My weapons have just changed into a little tool. You know these boxes, I don't know what these oh shadoodles. I killed you. I killed you too. Man, why are we so good? You supposed to just live. Ooh. You can hurt me. Can't touch this. I think they can touch this. I'm gonna kill you guys. I know your real identity. Jimmy Fallon. Oh, shadoodles. I want one of these things. Oh, no. Climb up the hill, not the wall. Alright. Oh, hey, how's it going? Yeah, that's our girlfriend. You a baby? Huh? Yeah, you a baby. Alright. Wow, look at the mountains. Oh, man, my tank is so beautiful. See those mountains? That's where she's coming. She's coming around the mountain in the left corner. Am I gonna just epically fail this? Can't. Oh my god. Jesus. Yeah, how am I gonna get up? Come on, guys. Help me. I've fallen and I can't get up. Oh, God. Alright, let's put this in Espanol. We speak Espanol. Uxan. Deportamos. Stands for sports, I think. Basketball. That's my favorite. Soccer physics. Oh, let's play that. I love this game. Let's play. Oh my god. Okay, let's put this back in English. There we go. Alright, well, anyway, that was it. So I'll see you guys next time. See you later.